So I know everyone's been waiting to see our new digs since our Airbnb disaster. So just gonna show you around a little bit because this place is spectacular in comparison, and we have loved it here the last week. Here is the kitchen, and right outside there, that door is our washing machine. And we have a full-size refrigerator, a rice cooker, microwave, stovetop, oven, the whole 9 yards. Dining table, TV, couch, that's Mark's bag. And just look at this view out the balcony. It is just gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Best of all, the view, and it's clean. And so this is our living room, kitchen, dining room. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom. And we're gonna go into Camry's room here. And they've got plenty of storage space. We've got all her clothes put away. And then she's got a closet too. And then there's condensation on the window, but there's a gorgeous view outside. We've got a little chilly in here compared to what it is outside. And here is her bathroom. Super clean. I mean, I can't ask for better after what we've been through in the other place. And here is Mark and I's bedroom. We actually moved a table over to that side of the bed, but the view out the window is absolutely insane. And we got some extra pillows out. So we've got plenty of storage space, a desk. Housekeeping came brought us new towels today. We've got plenty of storage space in here. Hanging up. Got lots of storage space. One of the most insane parts about this, voila! And then, I mean, it's got a bidet, but I'm not brave enough to use that thing. When you sit, the vent comes on and a heated seat, and then it flushes by itself once it senses you're up. The pool here is absolutely gorgeous. It is open from 6 a.m. till 8 p.m. at night. There are lifeguards on duty and security guards watching. They have a kids pool and jets. And at night, everything around the pool lights up. It's just spectacular. I mean, we are just thrilled that we have this nice, clean, open space with the gorgeous view outside. Look how insane that view is. Mark and Camry are just right down there picking up groceries. Thanks for touring our apartment in Ho Chi Minh City with us. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and follow our adventures.